businesses aim to expand and transform while satisfying their customer and the client needs constantly, business analysts are becoming more popular across a wide range of industries. Many companies hire business analysts to assist them in problem solving, developing new goals, and achieving desired outcomes with those objectives and goals. With that being said, hello everyone and welcome to this video on Business Analyst Roles and Responsibilities by Edureka. Before we get started with our topic, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech content from Edureka. Also, visit the Edureka website for training and certification courses, the link to which is in the description box below. Now, let us take a quick look at the agenda of today's session. First, we will define who is a business analyst. Then, we will look on to the roles and the key responsibilities of a business analyst in detail. We will cover the skill set of a business analyst. Then, we will discuss the tools used by a business analyst. Following that, we will discuss business analyst job description and salaries. Then, we will move on to the different business analyst profiles. Finally, we will take a look at the top companies that hire a business analyst. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. Who is a business analyst? A business analyst is someone who uses various business analytical tools and approaches to improve the effectiveness and the productivity of business processes. As organizations use available data to solve problems or make decisions, the business analyst acts as an agent to bring about an analytical shift. Moving on to the roles of a business analyst. While business analyst roles involve several aspects, the primary role of a business analyst is to make changes within the organization. Here are some of the important roles of a BA. Requirement analysis. Business requirements should be translated into straightforward and thorough documentation. Interview, surveys, workshop, and other techniques are used to collect, document, and analyze business requirement. Solution designer. Collaborate with key stakeholders and develop team to create solution that meets business requirements. Next is the stakeholder liaison. Serves as a liaison between the business stakeholders and the technical team, enabling efficient communication and understanding. Maintaining relationship with various stakeholders to ensure that their needs are being met throughout the project life cycle. Moving on to the testing support. Working with testing team to ensure that testing process are in line with business needs, particularly in testing for user acceptance, to ensure that the solution meets the business needs. Change agent. Support the implementation of organization changes by addressing opposition and ensuring that the changes go smoothly. Promote for and promote the use of new process and technologies. Finally, project manager support. Assist with project planning, progress monitoring, and ensuring that the project remains aligned with business goals. Contribute to the task setting priorities and resource allocation. Now, we will discuss about the responsibilities of a business analyst. A business analyst should understand the organization goals and objectives. They work with the key stakeholders to identify and define business needs and opportunities. A BA should be responsible for collecting and documenting specific requirements, which will help the project or the system required from the business. A business analyst review requirements to ensure that they are clear, complete, and flexible. They also contribute to how the changes will impact the current system and processes. A BA should be able to communicate efficiently. They serve as a translator between the business stakeholders and the development team. And the last one is contribute to risk identification and risk mitigation strategy development. Moving on to the business analyst skill sets. The first skill is technical skill. Business analysts should be fully aware of the existing technological platform and the future development in order to determine potential outcomes that they can achieve through the current application and new offerings while identifying business solutions. Technical skills such as designing business critical system and testing software tools are also required. Next is the interpersonal skill. To establish relationship with the key stakeholders, strong interpersonal skills are required. The ability to work well in team organization and environment. Next is the analytical skill. Business analyst will be analyzing data, identifying trends, and making data-driven suggestion to support decision making and business improvement. And the last one is management skill. Everything from the planning the scope of the project and directing a workforce to estimating budget and managing changes required as well as monitoring time falls under the management skill. As a multi-phase job role, business analysts should have excellent leadership abilities to manage project from start to finish. Now, we will move on to the tools used by business analysts. A business analyst frequently employ a variety of tools to improve their efficiency, collaboration, and analysis capability at various stages of a project. Some of the important tools are Microsoft Excel, an adjustable spreadsheet application used by business analysts for data analysis, reporting, and visualization. Excel is widely used for data cleaning, sorting, filtering, and chat creation. Next is Tableau, a powerful data visualization tool for business analysts that allows them to create interactive and shareable dashboards. Tableau helps to transform complex data sets into easily understandable visualization. Next is Jira. Jira is a popular project management and an issue tracking tool. Business analysts use Jira to manage and track requirements, user stories, and project tasks. Next is Power BI. Microsoft Business Analytics Server offers interactive visualization and business intelligence capability as well as an easy-to-use interface for end user to create reports and dashboards. Finally, Mind Mapping Tool. Tools such as Mind Manager and XMind are used for brainstorming and visually organizing thoughts, ideas, and requirements. Now, we will discuss about business analyst job description. Business analyst will work with different departments and stakeholders to collect business requirements, processes, and workflows that must be documented and analyzed. These requirements will be translated into functional specification for technology teams. Will also have a close relationship with the project manager, developers, and testers to ensure the project success. Some of the examples are requirement gathering, analysis and documentation, communication and collaboration, and finally, testing and quality assurance. Now, let us take a look at the business analyst salary. Salaries in India and United States may differ. It may differ significantly based upon a particular area and the employment position. An average salary of a business analyst in India may range up to 8 lakhs to 17 lakhs per year. And those of the senior level business analyst can earn up to 16 lakhs to 20 lakhs per year. And in United States, the average salary of a business analyst is $80,000 to $100,000. And the senior level can earn up to $95,000 to $100,000. Now, we will discuss about different business analyst profiles. First is the enterprise analyst. An enterprise analyst is responsible for analyzing and improving an organization overall operations, strategies, and system. They work with stakeholders to identify business need, define goals, and design effective solutions that are in line with the mission and vision of the organization. Next is the business consultant. Business consultant provide expert guidance and suggestions on business strategies, operations, and management to help organization improve their performance, productivity, and profitability. Next is the system analyst. A system analyst is in charge of analyzing and improving the performance, efficiency, and effectiveness of computer system and software application. They should understand system analysis, design, programming languages, data modeling, and software tests. Next is marketing specialist. A marketing specialist creates and implements advertising initiatives and approaches to increase customer engagement, loyalty, and promote products or services. They should also be familiar with market research, advertising, digital marketing, publishing, and managing client relationship. And the last one is product manager. A product manager is in charge of managing products life cycle. They work with cross-functional teams to identify the product vision, arrange features, and create product roadmaps, and ensure the successful delivery and adoption of the product. Now, let us take a look at the top companies that hire business analysts. Several top companies in numbers of businesses hire business analysts to assist them in improving their operation, process, and system. Some of the top companies that hire business analysts are Accenture, IBM, Amazon, Google, Infosys, and finally TCS. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and keep learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!